We're at YVR, almost in the same place we were
a year ago.
a bit over a year ago when I was leaving to Asia. So it brings back memories for us, but we got our boarding tickets.
Just about to go through security.
Just finished up our Wendy.
Yes. And where are we going?
Nicaragua.
Se quedó.
Se quedó.
Sí. No vio con quién se quedó. Okay. No.
We're getting Spanish lessons in the mirror. No vio. To the book. Gracias. Muchas gracias.
Sí, no problem.
Good morning. It is our first morning here, and it is Boxing Day, and there are no malls or anything. So this is the view from our first hostel slash hotel, and I'll show you inside. It's kind of dark though. A little bed, and then there are 2 bunk beds. I don't know why. And we are going to pick up our motorcycle. Hello.
So, we've got our bike.
We just picked it up. Ta-da!
And it's been solid. 125, so not too much more than we had in Asia. But we managed to fit both our bags on the back.
So after trying just kind of 2 different configurations, we have way smaller bags, but our rack is so tiny this time. So we had to move things around. You can see. We have gotten our bike onto the road. Nice.
So, we're on the island of Omotepe, and we're riding along, and a friggin' pig runs out in the road, and we hit it, and fell over, which really sucked.
How fast were we going?
Not
like,
that fast.
Like 50. Yeah. Probably 50.
40.
Which isn't even that fast, but like when it hit the bore or whatever, the pig squealed.
Shit everywhere. Look,
Yeah, shit all over the bike.
which got on
and on
us
us.
and our cuts, which we washed off.
So he's all cut up. There,
And show my
there.
arm. Okay,
His
and
rash,
Miriam.
ooh,
Yeah.
ow, all over there.
Miriam
Show
made
your
me
chin.
change to a full face.
Yeah,
And check
good
it out.
thing.
That would be my face
Oh my
right up here.
gosh.
Thankfully, I only got a little bit of scabbing, and let me show you now.
Mine,
Okay.
we're actually really lucky because like with the way the bike twisted or whatever, we could have broken our leg, and
Yeah.
nobody hit the exhaust or burnt, but it's like all cut up here, and then this one's really bad because it's swollen. But otherwise
we're okay.
lucky.
We've now left the island of Omotepe. We're on the ferry, and I don't want to get burnt. Miriam wants to get tanned, so I'm fully covered up. That's the island over there. We're still recovering from our wounds, but we were able to catch the ferry off with perfect timing. They were about to leave, and we just rode right on. So it worked out perfect. But see, this ferry ride has much calmer waters than okay, screw this. Than when we left for the island. So it seems like it's gonna be a nice ride over. We're in the torrential waters of Nicaragua in Laguna de Pollo. The water.
You can see it like, I don't know how well you can see the waves.
Here.
Oh.
So it's maybe 4 minutes away from. Sorry. So it's maybe 4 minutes away from New Year's, and where are we?
We are in the center, I guess
Granada.
the square of Granada.
In Nicaragua. It's an old church. Right back. Woo! Okay, those thieves are getting crazy. But fireworks behind us.
First video of 2018.
In Granada, Nicaragua.
Yeah.
Show them the Christmas tree.
There is the tree.
And the church behind us.
So we stopped, kind of in the middle of nowhere,
And
then
the
Justin
toilet.
and I had to use the toilet.
Right here. Smells great. And it's on quite an angle too.
But the lady was really nice. We just really had to go pee.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Now we're leaving the back of her house.
Yeah.
We are like 10 minutes away from our destination and we ran into this. I have no idea how we're gonna cross it because a bunch of cars are getting stuck. Oh my gosh. Yikes.
I was really impressed. How'd you get off so well?
Because I knew you were gonna fall off my scissors.
Alright, so we've been riding for hours on this dirt road that's been flooded at certain points and all that. We come over here, middle of nowhere, and we see this guy with ice cream. And I got ice cream sandwich, and we got like some cone, and it's the best thing ever. We've been in the sun and the dirt and all that, and we were literally like, look, there's a guy riding a horse over there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm so surprised that we see this guy here with really good ice cream.
She was living on couches that belonged to her friends. She was feet with her feet in the shins hanging over the ends, looking over her shoulder, never knowing herself. I could leave, she could never fit in till somebody new came along.